Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to import a video to Capcut project. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So the first thing you would do is in Capcut you would click on create project. Once you click on that, it should show you this window. So to import a video, you can either click on this area or click on the import button. For the first time, I would recommend you click on this area and then it will show you the file. You can click on any file that you want to import. Let's say this file I want to import. Then I click import here. This should import my video. So I can drag this video down here and then I can just start editing. So if you want to import multiple videos, again, you can click on this import button and then you can shift click on MacBook to select multiple files and you can just hit import with, and that is how you import multiple videos onto CapCut. Thank you.